Hey guys, Adriel here. I just finished the final season of Star Wars The Clone Wars, and I'm here to let you know my opinions on it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get it started. So this is just gonna be like a really quick review. It's probably gonna end up being like 2 to 4 minutes, 4 at most, or 5. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up making this a series where I just review things really quickly, but if I do, it's probably gonna be called something corny like a lightning review or something. Alright, enough talking, let me go ahead and talk about the reason why you clicked on this video. Star Wars Season 7. So, the 7th season of the Clone Wars, was it fucking excellent or was it horrible? It was don't hate me for this, but it was kind of in the middle. It was okay. I was not blown away by this season really, unfortunately. Let me explain. So 2 years ago, when they first showed the trailer for this season, I think it was at Comic-Con like 2 years ago, I think. I was really hyped because I was expecting for them to finish animating the unfinished episodes. You can find them on YouTube. There are a ton of unfinished episodes because Disney bought Clone Wars while they're animating it or some shit, and that's why they canceled the show or whatever. But there are a lot of episodes that they're in the middle of animating during that time, and it has voice acting and everything, but the animation just isn't finished yet. So I was hoping, oh shit, they're gonna finish animating those and we're gonna be able to see it fully animated and it's gonna be great. But unfortunately, that's not what happened. I'm pretty sure all of the Bad Batch arc, I think all of that is reanimated, but I'm pretty sure everything else after that in the season is original. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure everything after that is just completely new animated stuff. And it kind of disappointed me, and that kind of leads to my next point. I was hoping that we'd be able to see more of the actual Clone Wars going on in this season. I was expecting this to be like a 20-30 episode season, but it wasn't. It was only 12 episodes, and I was hoping that we'd be able to see a lot more of the war. But unfortunately, the only part of the war that we really saw, or any of the war that we saw, were the Bad Batch episodes where they attacked that fucking droid base or whatever to rescue Fives or Echo. Yeah, Echo, that's his name. And there was some of the last couple episodes kind of covered some battles of the war, but we didn't really see anything. And it was kind of a letdown because my expectations were really high, but we didn't get that much. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead and review the arcs now. So the first arc, the Bad Batch, it was an okay arc. I watched the whole thing straight through. It wasn't that bad. It was somewhat interesting. I'd probably give this arc like a 7 out of 10. Fucking hell. The Ahsoka arc was dog shit. I did not like it. It was really boring. It did not feel like it was Star Wars at all. It did not feel like it belonged in Star Wars. And I'd probably give it like a fucking 3 or 4 out of 10. It was just really boring. I had to stop at one point because I just could not keep watching because it was like, what the fuck is going on? Everything after that arc though is really good. We get to see Ahsoka and Obi-Wan and Anakin interacting once again, and it's really good shit. And the last 2 episodes in the entire season are some of the best Star Wars content ever, and I really enjoyed them. And I'd probably give that entire section of the season probably at 8 out of 10, but those last 2 episodes are just 10s out of 10s. So my final verdict on the entire season? Everything was good, but that Ahsoka arc really just dragged the entire fucking season down. And I know it did for a lot of other people as well. Overall, this entire season, I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10. It was okay. The last 2 episodes were fucking spectacular, but I can't really imagine myself going back to watch this season a lot of times. If I give something like an 8 to 10 out of 10, that means I would go back and rewatch it a bunch of times probably. But this I can't really. I'd probably rewatch it whenever I binge this series again a couple of years from now. But yeah, it didn't really meet my expectations. I wish we could have seen more characters again, like General Grievous, or more of the actual Clone Wars going on, but we didn't get to really see any of that. It was mostly just the Clone Wars wrapping up. And I'm okay with that, but it's just my expectations weren't really met, so I give it a 7 out of 10. If you guys have any different opinions than me or any thoughts on things that I said, go ahead and share your opinions down in the comments below. Let me know how I did on this review, and let me know if you want more. And see you guys later. Bye.